Hey everybody, Sydney Burnett here with the Luczak Group at Keller Williams Client's Choice Realty, bringing you a beautiful new land listing tour. Today we are here in El Paso County at this absolutely serene lot spanning across 39.24 acres. I am proud to present 12565 Hahn Road right here in Calhan, Colorado. You guys are going to love the location of this place. We are here just 5 minutes from downtown Calhan, right off Highway 24, about a 10-minute drive into Peyton, 30-minute drive into Colorado Springs, and less than 2-hour drive to Denver. This lot is in a great location with even greater views. You're surrounded by rolling hills and mountain views throughout nearly 40 acres. This gorgeous country lot is equipped with a well, electric, and comes with a half of the mineral rights on the property. It's also zoned A35 for agricultural and has such great potential for a build site. Calhan is surrounded by the beautiful spacious plains of eastern Colorado. There are a multitude of opportunities nearby for hiking, fishing, hunting, and birdwatching, among many other activities. The Calhan Town Park has playgrounds, baseball fields, tennis courts, covered pavilions for picnics, family gatherings, or just relaxing in the fresh Colorado sunshine. In close proximity to this lot, you have nearby access to the El Paso County Fairgrounds and Events Complex, El Paso County Raceway, Mines Interpretive Park, Rock Island Regional Trail, SBR MotorSports Park, and more. Thank you all again for taking the time to tour this beautiful lot with me. As always, if you or anybody you know would like more information or a private tour of this lot, please give me a call at 512-917-7264. And for some of our amazing listings and what we have going on right now, you can visit our team website at www.makespringshome.com. Do not miss the opportunity to make this land yours. Schedule a showing today, and I will see you guys at the next one.